smell what The Rock is cooking? Because all I can really smell is what my roommate cooks. All right, so check this out. As you see, I'm not looking stupid no more. You know, I finally got a haircut. Although, you know, like, it's some. So I had. So, all right. I got a haircut. And there was like some extra shit, like facing forward, right? And I was telling him, like, you know, just kind of whoosh. And you know when you do something and you expect somebody to really know what you mean when you say whoosh or anything like that? Well, he didn't know what I meant. So he actually whoosh. And I think he, I don't know, got caught by surprise, got scared by something. I don't know. Because now I'm like, so I got a Transformers cut right now. Look, hair grows back. I'm never worried about cutting my own hair because usually I drink and I cut my own hair. But my clippers are out of commission. Ended up cutting a guy named Walls' hair and he clogged up my clippers, and then I cut it back on after cleaning them and the motor killed itself. So that was complete barbicide. For the barbers who get that joke, I made that joke earlier. Honestly, it was funny. Barbicide is that stuff they use to clean their clippers before cutting you and all that. But I just came back from getting me some delicious food. I had salmon, corn, mashed potatoes with cheese in them, and a nice little pasta salad. And I know I can make that sound as delicious as it really needs to be, but honestly, it was defect food. It was mass produced. That was like some square cut pieces of something they called fish, put a little lemon pepper seasoning on top of it, and then served it after heating it up. And honestly, I freaking love it. I don't know what type of cocaine sprinkles they add on that fish, but you know, it's some good stuff. Today, I started my initial processes for, I guess, getting out. So, you know, for those who know me well enough, which, who the hell am I speaking to? I don't have any followers, no subscribers, no friends. But for those of you that know, I'm not really trying to get out, but it's difficult for me for medical reasons, even trying to be in. So that's where I'm seeing life right now. Like, do I want to stay in, really? Or do I want to find a way out? Do I pray that I can find a way to live comfortably doing something else while this job, as amazing as it really is, it's not really something that I see myself really doing for 20 years as I planned. That was the original goal. 20 years in, do the 20 years because my mom couldn't. And then, you know, I don't know, get out after that. Retire at 38 years old would have been fantastic, right? But if that's not the goal anymore, I don't know what my goal is. Hope you guys can still hear me. I don't know what the goal is anymore. So I'm gonna figure it out. I know a lot of things I want to do, a lot of things I've been thinking about doing, hobbies to pick up, things I want to do, be a little free for like, I don't know, a year or two, and then I don't really know. So I'm gonna mess up my hair tremendously. My hair is actually pretty freaking long, but yeah, we'll figure it out. It's not a rough journey. It's not something that is detrimental. I'm not gonna freak out by not knowing what I want to do right off the bat if I get out. But again, I'm not really trying to get out right now. So yeah, there's that. Really, I'm just gonna, you know what? spiking my hair up is always difficult. You know what I normally do? I normally just end up combing it back. And honestly, that feels like the move to make. So, yep, comeback time. And it looks just as, well, it doesn't look as bad as it was when it was forward, so you know. Got a nice lineup this time for once, you know, it's not horrible. But we'll figure it out, honestly. So I was watching like a bunch of my favorite YouTubers earlier, like Action Jackson and Farad. Yeah, bro, if y'all have not seen it, honestly, Farad be talking about weird shit. Like, he literally just earlier posted a video saying first time he caught an STD. And it was a funny video, I'm not gonna lie. The second video he posted today was the first time he ate the woman's area with an STD in it. And I'm just like, wow. On some real shit, I wouldn't have even like told anybody that. Oh God, it looks just as bad. Fuck my life. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair one day. Just want to really grow my hair out. That's the plan. If I get out, I'm growing my hair out. Never getting a haircut again. I'm gonna cut the sides once every 4 or 5 months, maybe, or you know, depending. And then probably never cut my hair, truthfully, ever again. I don't want to cut my hair ever. Elevation and altitude and all this radiation, because I'm closer to the freaking sun, has burned my hair to a crisp where it gets dark on the sides, because I like having my little light hair. Although this is a little bit lighter than normal, I did strip my hair of all color just so I can get rid of all that darkening that was happening. But now it seems my hair is growing in darker, and I think I might have lightened my hair a little too much when I stripped it of its layer. Yeah, I'll figure it out, honestly. It's be one of those things. But yeah, Farad's crazy, man. Farad is like honestly one of those crazy ass people who, he's chill as fuck. Honestly, he is. Like, the man has said nothing wrong ever. Like, yeah, he's a stoner, complete stoner, but he's one of those people you can faithfully trust, like, with your life. Nah, he's a real cool person. And that's just from me watching his YouTube. I don't know the guy personally, I don't. But Action Jackson, oh, the man is a fucking fool. And he's like the younger version of Shula King. And Shula King came out after him. So, yeah, it's, oh my God, I spent hours looking at the videos because you come out of nowhere. Somebody want to tell me what in the holy, holistic, horrific horror is going, like, Shula King is like, honestly, he's a freaking trip. And Action Jackson, and you're just like, what? What in the hell is going on here? Like, I feel like I need one of those opening catchphrases for something. Like, I'll figure it out one day. I don't know. But until then, and this is actually quite a long video, until then, it'll be me and my good old bottle of Dubliner Irish honey whiskey here. I know it's backwards. Don't judge me. Shut the hell up. Yeah, this tastes like pure honeycomb. But if you actually drink it and drink enough of it, it all hits you at one time. Now, it hit me, and I was just like, "Ooh, I need to take a seat. I need to take a seat. I need to just sit down for a while." God gracious, English. But yeah, like, the thing is, I don't get drunk that easily. Let me not say I never get drunk, but I've never gotten that damn far. I drank half this bottle and I was fine the first time. Any more after that, and I probably would have just been like, bleh. But that's it for this video. You already know. Who am I talking to? I have no subscribers. Yeah, well, that's gonna be it for YouTube today. All right, talk to you next time, YouTube. End the video.